This right here is the 1902 Mercedes 40 HP Simplex, one of the oldest automobiles ever built. Today, we bring it back.
This machine changed the world in 1902. It's been sleeping in a barn for decades. It deserves one more life. After all this time, she's ready. It looks perfect, sir. All right, let's see what we've got here. Oh, wow. Look at that. All right, time to see what we've got in here. Wow, look at that. It's even more incredible than I imagined. Look at this. Decades of neglect. We've got our work cut out for us. All right, here it is, the 1902 Mercedes 40 HP Simplex. Look at the condition of this beauty.
Keep it steady, slowly. Slowly. A little more push now, we're almost there. Watch the wheels, good. All right, she's up, nice work. All right, bring it in slowly. Watch the edges. Careful now. No. Perfect. Take a look at this beauty.
Time to see what's really under here. Ah, yes, the beast.
Prompt 23. 4-cylinder engine block hair extreme close-up. Macro extreme close-up on the cast iron 4-cylinder.
The rear mudguard shows the correct sweep and tarnish, but this rust around the bolt holes is concerning. All right, now that we have them both side by side, we can begin the restoration.
This one's really seized. It's going to take some convincing. There, got it, finally free.
All right, let's see if this old hubcap wants to come off. There we go, bit by bit. Just needed a little extra persuasion. All right, easy does it. Got it? There we go. All right, let's get this cushion out. Careful with that horsehair. And now the backrest, mind the split.
The four-cylinder cast-iron engine block of the 1902 Mercedes 40HP Simplex is slowly lifted clear of the pressed steel chassis.
All right, easy does it.
All right, good.
Nice. That's on the stand. Here we have the empty chassis frame of a 1902 Mercedes Simplex. Every major component has been removed.
All right, here we go. Time to see what's underneath all this foam.
The soak's done its job. We've got that beautiful yellow gold starting to show through. A bit of tarnish left, but these curves are still elegant.
The secret to great metalwork is preparation. We're applying a neutralizing spray to stop the rust on this chassis.
All right, final pass to make sure all the degreaser is gone. Looking good.
This is it, exactly what we wanted to see. Look at these pits.
Yeah.
Years of corrosion, but the high points are clean. It's honest.
Yeah.
This tells the story of the car.
All right, time to tackle the sump area. Give it a good even coat, navigating around these old casting ribs. You can see it changing color already.
The dual-action sander makes quick work of the old green paint, revealing the steel underneath. Looks like we're down to bare metal now.
You can see the original pressing and the extent of the rust here, a true testament to its 1902 origin.
Start with a good, generous amount. Press firmly to get into the pits, then smooth it out to fill the low spots. Keep it slow and steady, that's it. Make sure you get all the edges. Perfect. The epoxy coat is holding perfectly on the chassis rails. Nice and glossy in the center, drying out nicely on the edges. All right, time to mix up this hunter green. It's got to be just right. All right, second coat is laid down. Getting that perfect mirror finish now. Looking good. The panels are now fully coated in this rich, deep hunter forest green. Look at that gloss. We're very pleased with the result.
All body panels complete, deep liquid glass. The period correct deep forest green is beautiful, perfect. Amazing work, John, perfection.
The finish is perfect. Not a swirl in sight, just how we wanted it. Absolutely flawless. Keep it even, no bubbles, perfect. After months of hard work, these artillery wheels are finally ready. Every detail is perfect. The four-cylinder cast iron engine block of the 1902 Mercedes 40 HP Simplex. Post-clean, bare iron, truly a remarkable texture study. You want to make sure you cover every single gap here. Keep it nice and even.
The heavy-gauge roller drive chain connects the axle to the transmission. See how cleanly it articulates around the sprocket.
All right, perfect alignment, nice and flat. All right, first bolt's done. Now onto the second in the pattern. Perfect. Another click, moving on.
The freshly polished brass catches the light beautifully. Now, carefully seating it with the new copper washer. Perfect.
And here she is, the 1902 Mercedes, fully rebuilt. Every part a masterwork, just like new. Keep it steady, just a little more. Perfect, take the weight off the hoist. That's it, right on the mounts.
You can see the original faded leather here. Now applying the correct saddle brown dye with the sponge. Look at that transformation, just working it into the tufts now.
After careful restoration, the leather seat of the 1902 Mercedes 40HP Simplex is now supple, with it.
You can really see the brass coming through. Wow, that's beautiful. Just a little more and those gauges will be gleaming. Notice the brilliant warm gold yellow, the graceful Edwardian curves reflecting the workshop light in long, elegant strips. The front and rear bench seats, reinstalled on the chassis. We've got the deep saddle brown leather, rich and supple. Perfect fit. It's glowing, isn't it? Just as we planned. This is it, the 1902 Mercedes 40HP Simplex. Every detail from the tufted leather to the polished brass has been brought back to life.
Line it up slowly. Carefully, just a little to the right. Perfect. It's in.
Almost there. That's a perfect fit.
The Simplex is finally coming together. Look at that shine on the brass and the green paint. It's truly a masterpiece of its era. After 123 years, we've finally brought her back to her original glory. Here is the fully restored
123 years of history brought back exactly as Wilhelm Maybach intended. If this restoration moved you, drop a comment below here. Tell me what you felt watching this machine come back to life. And if you know of another barn find waiting to be rescued,